Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Insightly CRM activities from deleted tasks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore deleted tasks from Insightly CRM activities, begin by logging into your Insightly account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar, where you will find the Tasks option. Click on Tasks to view a list of all the tasks associated with your account. Next, look for the Deleted tab located at the top of the Tasks page. Click on the Deleted tab to access the tasks that have been marked for deletion. Here, you will find a list of all deleted tasks. Review the list to locate the specific task you wish to restore. Once you find the task, check the checkbox next to its name. After selecting the task, look for the Restore button, usually located at the top of the deleted tasks list. Click on the Restore button to recover the selected task. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the task has been successfully restored. Now, navigate back to the main tasks page to verify that the task reappears in your active tasks list. If necessary, refresh the page to ensure all changes are visible. Check the details of the restored task to confirm that all information has been retained. If you have more tasks to restore, repeat the selection and restoration process as needed. Once you have restored all desired tasks, you can continue managing your Insightly CRM activities as usual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.